Hello and welcome to English Made Easy. In this video I'm going to explain the present simple tense. The present simple tense is used to describe simple actions that are factual, occur repeatedly and describe things that are true. The present simple is formed from verbs by using the base infinitive form of the verb without to. For example, I eat dinner at 6 p.m. every day. She eats dinner at 6 p.m. every day. To form the present simple is very easy. For instance, I drink tea every morning. She drinks tea every morning. I eat dinner at 6 p.m. every evening. You eat dinner at 6 p.m. every evening. We eat dinner at 6 p.m. every evening. They eat dinner at 6 p.m. every evening. He, she, it eats dinner at 6 p.m. every evening. There you have it. The present simple used to describe simple actions in everyday English. For more videos on vocabulary, conversation and grammar, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon.